So there's the landslide over there, the brown earth. Look, these are vehicles. That's a bus and other light vehicles. Here, it's gonna be nighttime soon. It's 3 o'clock, past 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And I hope I won't run out of batteries as well. Meanwhile, enjoy the view here in Sagada. So there's also vehicles there. The landslide is right down there. Yun bang brown? Yan bang brown? Yan yung landslide. Not only landslide, there's also fog to deal with. You can even hear it now, thunderstorms. And when there's rain, there's landslide over there. Maybe the highway engineers are still on their way, but it looks like we'll be stuck here for quite a while. Fog is clearing, but I don't see any roadworks yet. I don't know how they're gonna clear that. Bus is moving onward now into the foggy road. Okay, I think that backhoe or whatever that machine is will do the clearing of the road. It sounds very urgent, but wow, the thick fog, I can't even see the landslide now. So the thick fog is covering the landslide, but I can hear the backhoe clearing the area. In the meantime, our bus is right here. It stopped and we're waiting for the road to clear. Well, the way I see it, the driver and the conductor looks pretty confident, so that makes me confident as well. The earth is still falling, sliding, while the clearing is being done. The bus drivers don't seem to be worried, so I think this is just one of those days. We are now gathering rocks to put on the road so that vehicles could pass through, because the earth is still falling loose on the side of that hill. There's a vehicle that's trying to pass through. Earlier there's also a jeepney that has already passed through. I have contributed a rock, well, several rocks, so that the vehicles could pass this way. I hope our bus would also be able to pass through. Alright. Oh well, our rocks did that and they're happy. We are carefully passing through the landslide wall. We are taking this side very carefully and steadily. And hope that the earth doesn't give way too much. Be safe. Let's be safe. We're taking this side of the road. Oh, shoot. This is such... It's... We are hoping for safety, praying for safety the whole time, and we're almost through. This is the hard part already, and we are coming through safely. Thank God. Thank you. And we're on our way down.